Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to the channel. I have a question for you. Do you live in a home or a house with a balcony? And how is it important for you? Welcome guys, and let's discuss this. For me, a balcony is very important. So it's a very good place to read and relax. You also get extra space or extra living space. There's also access to fresh air. You also enjoy views and sunsets. And also it's the place to grow flowers, plants or vegetables. It has been my dream to have a garden outside my house, but now I live in an apartment, so I try to make the most of it. So we decided to buy some plants that we can put them on the balcony. So here in Norway, it's not about just buying plants. It's you need plants that can stand the cold. We also bought parasol, as it's helping us a lot in evening when the sun is coming to the balcony. So evening is the time that we all come home from work and school, so we can sit in the balcony and enjoy the sun. But sometimes the sun can be very strong, so this parasol is very, very helpful. So the balcony looks empty still. There's no plant, so after we install this parasol, we put the plant. But then we had to buy some, it's a special soil that you can use on plants like this. It's a good soil with nutrients. And the way we plant the trees it's very special, especially for me, because there's so many things you need to consider. If the rainwater falls on the plants, how the draining is going to be, because we also have neighbors that live under us. So those are things to think about. So this was very fun to grow these plants, and my daughter was also joining us to do it. So this kind of plant is called Japanese ivy or Japanese creeper. It grows or it crawls on the walls, and it grows very fast. So this is just 1 month and it looks very beautiful. It has color green, but after some time it changes to red, almost red. And I can say it changes color with time. Now it's green, so after summer, or maybe when it gets a lot of sun, then it changes color. So this is summertime and we try to make the most of it. We are having a party in the balcony and we have some barbecue. So this, I can say it's one of the fun times we have in summertime, because summertime is just a few months, so then autumn comes, so we don't use the balcony that much. So comes to fall, the tree is losing its leaves and it's getting quite empty. So there's a lot of rain and it's windy in fall, so it's not very easy to use the balcony. This is winter time, it's December, it's starting to be quite cold, so it's Christmas time. The tree has lost all the leaves and we use it as to decorate, to put the Christmas lights on. And if you look around, the lights makes the place look beautiful. Pretty much there's nothing to do on the balcony, it's just to put the decorating lights for Christmas, and that's it. Yeah, so it looks quite dull and cold. So that's pretty much how we redecorate our balcony, and you can see how the seasons affect it or how it looks around all the seasons. Thanks all for joining me today. So you're welcome to the family if you're new, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye!